Hello friends! Before watching our videos, don't forget to subscribe to us and press the bell icon beside the subscribe button to get notified every time we upload to YouTube. A simple 1-minute stairs test can predict how long you will live. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle, proper nutrition, and exercising enough is the key to literally living a king-sized life and living long enough to experience great joy. Even simple physical movements, including choosing to take the stairs instead of the lift, can be a good first step. What if we told you there is a test which can tell how long you will live? The cost involved? Climbing up a flight of stairs. A new study conducted by the European Society of Cardiology aims to prove just that. According to researchers involved in the test, observing people perform certain exercise tests could actually reveal the possibility of their death caused prematurely by heart disease, stress, and even cancer. For the study, doctors analyzed some basic parameters of roughly 12,000 participants who had been diagnosed with specific heart diseases and their organ functions by studying their performance on an echocardiogram. People who were able to run up on the treadmill were observed to have a high life expectancy, with their energy levels measured in metabolic equivalents, or METs. For every additional MET achieved, the risk of dying young was cut down by 9%. Researchers also found that the same results could be achieved if the treadmill was replaced with regular staircases. If people were able to run up 4 flights of stairs in a minute's time, it was an indication of their good heart health and lower risk of premature death. If you can do what's necessary and climb up the stairs within the given time, your heart is at its prime and you are doing a good job. If you fail, it's a sign that you need to include more exercise into your routine. This is because exercise plays a very important role, along with a balanced diet, in influencing body functions. How much physical movement should you be getting? People who spend more time working out have higher odds. According to recently updated guidelines, people should aim at getting 150 minutes of moderate activity, or at least 75 minutes of vigorous activity per week, along with cardio or strength training exercises. Spending time getting fit can lower cholesterol levels, keep blood circulation fluid, and reduce chances of inflammation, which overall means a good, healthy body. That's all for now, and if you liked the video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. See you next time!